we're here today for at Seacroft for Children in Need and DIY SOS. We've donated a couple of service engineers and a Lathams heavy duty PA door, and we're just now waiting for the big reveal. All very exciting, there's lots of people around and we're good to go.
DIY SOS, step in,
So we supplied the steel security door. Lathams are so proud to have been able to donate some time and a steel heavy duty door to both Children in Need, Radio 2 and the Getaway Girl charity. You see it's a heavy duty PA door. Sadly, although the big reveal is taking place, not quite finished off on this side of the building, but the door's looking great. The building just needs trimming up, some more cladding on here, trimmed, and this door's going to give service for years to come as a service entrance to their boiler house.
Do that, it's an absolute dream come true. We've got the resources now, you know, it's going to invite, it's so inviting. Just the response, when we saw the young women walk in and respond to every room, it feels good, it smells good.
Yeah,
It smells
that's
new.
what we're here for.
Yeah. You know, and we're going to create some nice memories.
Yeah, absolutely. It's so fresh, and I think it's going to give everyone a new lease of life, to be honest.
Yeah.